Okay, so you have committed your database password and API keys by mistake, and now your Git history looks like this, where you can see your secrets are easily visible in the repository. Now, in this situation, what needs to be done? So, in this case, the first thing that you need to do is to panic. Okay, I just kidding. So, since you have pushed your secrets by mistake, so you have to assume that it's already compromised. Okay, so it's compromised forever. So, what you need to do is that you need to immediately revoke those credentials. So, suppose this is the database password, you need to change the database password, or if it is a API keys, then you need to rotate that API key immediately. And this is the first thing that you need to do, and you need to do it as soon as possible. And here the speed matters because the attackers scan public repositories for secrets, and they automatically within the minutes of the commit. You need to rotate all the compromised API keys or database password immediately as soon as possible. So this is the first step, and make sure to update the application wherever you are using the old secrets. Make sure you are using the new secrets. So if you're just thinking that you will just delete those files which has the secret and you will make a commit and you will push and you will get away. Now, that's not happening because that will not remove that file which has the secret. That will not remove that file entirely from the Git history. If anyone go back to the commit history, so they can still view the file. So what you need to do is that, so there are some tools called filter repository just like this, or there is another tool called BFG repo cleaner, that is GitHub recommended tool for these kind of things, that basically allows you to rewrite the Git history. So it will remove the secret from all the commits using this tool. So you can basically use the BFG tool like this, and that will rewrite the Git history, and that will remove this file that has the secret. It will remove that file from all the commit history. But this is still not enough. Suppose that you have pushed the secret, and after that immediately someone cloned that repository. Okay, so if someone has already cloned the repository which had the secret committed, so they will still be able, so their local history will still contain that secret. So what you can do is that after you have removed the secret file from all the commit history using this tool, you can ask those person to clone the repository once again. So that was about how to fix the problem, but you know that prevention is always better than cure. So how to make sure that you do not run into this kind of problem in the first place? That is that whatever the file that has the secret, you need to make sure that you are always adding those files in the git ignore. That means whenever you are doing this commit, these files that has the secret, that will not be committed by mistake. So this is the first and foremost thing that you need to do. Always make sure you are adding the file secret containing file in the git ignore file. Another alternative thing you can do is that there are a bunch of dedicated secret management tools like HashiCorp Vault, AWS Secret Manager, Azure Key Vault, this kind of thing. You can use them as well. So using this tool, you can minimize the risk of mistakenly pushing secrets to the Git. So I hope this video was useful. Let me know what you think on this, and as always, thanks for watching.